Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome in the YouTube test trading room and in the VIP room. I hope you're doing okay and ready for another great trading day with us. Hi, Brian. Nice to see you. Good morning, Frank, Andy, Steve C, and the team, of course, DVG, Clifton. Good morning to you. Hi, Scott. Scott already posted his list. And of course, I'm going to do it later. But first, let's see how was this week so far. Well, if we just check the daily chart on the SPY, guys, we can see that it was quite volatile. One red, one green, one red, one green. So we started with a green one on Monday. Tuesday was a red candle, and yesterday again, despite of some worrying news about the chip tariffs, seems like that the market is shaking it off. I'm just going to tell you later why. And yesterday it was another huge green day on the market. Not huge, but I would say it's like, considering the fact that it's August, I would say it's a nice green day. And today we are starting in nicely green again, 0.58% higher on the S&P 500, triple Q 0.77% higher. And there is no doubt that NVIDIA and Apple even helped for the whole market to push it higher, and especially the Tesla as well. Apple got some good news from the White House. So it seems like that the bulls control is completely back, and might we will see a new all-time high. Who knows? So here comes the financial headlines. Well, not too much, I would say. The most important thing today, it was about the tariffs. Like yesterday, President Donald Trump had just made it clear that it will be a 100% tariffs on imported semiconductors chips. But why we cannot see, however, AMD yesterday dropped definitely. We had a nice short on that. However, indeed, we have not seen such a dramatic impact on that because there will be a broad exemptions. What does it mean? What does it mean? Still, the stock futures rose today morning as investors were encouraged by the policy's broad exemptions. The latest trade announcements comes as Trump's long-awaited plan for reciprocal tariffs takes effect today, Thursday. So this is another thing which is happening today. And one more thing, as I mentioned, Apple still looks quite happy about the deal that just happened yesterday, as Tim Cook just visited Trump in the Oval Office and unveiled the plans for the company to spend $100 billion on US firms and suppliers over the next 4 years. And there is even in addition to a $500 billion investment Apple announced in February. So this is a huge deal for the Apple. As you can see, is just on fire again. 2.60% to the upside. Amazing. Hi, Zainab. Good morning to you. I'm fine. And hopefully Clifton is doing great as well, and the whole team. And we are ready for this fantastic trading day again. Guys, it's Thursday, so I'm not going to trade alone, but with Amir. So he's going to join soon. But first, let's see especially the big movers and the candidates list. Regarding the economic news, though, I just would like to say some words about that, as well as the unemployment claims has already been released, and so far higher than expected. This is not the best, but as you can see, the bull's mood cannot just be affected by that at the moment, and we are still waiting for the final wholesale inventories at 10 o'clock, plus FOMC member Cook she's going to speak. So let's see, not Cook, sorry, Bostich. Bostich is going to speak, and later on, at the closing bell, 4 p.m., President Donald Trump going to speak as well. Traders, so lots of speech today. Let's see whether it's going to impact the overall market indeed. So far we have some great big movers. On the international side, though, before we just dig deep into the movers, as I've seen, Europe was nicely to the green side, not the FTSE because of the Bank of England rate cut, actually. It was a rate cut as far as I remember. Let me just check it. Yes, Bank of England narrowly votes to cut interest rate to 4% as balancing act continues. So this is definitely not the best news for the FTSE. But DAX is up a lot, CAC 40 and so on. So nice strengths on the European and even on the Asian stocks. Nikkei, Hang Seng is up as well. And on the crypto, I see finally is just topped 116,000. So my Bitcoin is on the way higher. And after some really, really ugly days on the coin, might we will see a nice bounce today. So coin is going to be on my long list as well. Hi, Marco. Good morning to you. Nice to see you. All right, traders. So let's see the big movers for today. As I mentioned you, we have some great earning stocks as this is, I would say, almost the last very meaningful earnings week for the market. And today we got Eli Lilly, Peloton, Airbnb, DoorDash, and a lot more, which we are going to check soon. Hi, Anne. Good morning to you. So I'm just going to start my candidates list. And as I mentioned, I'm going to start with coin. As the Bitcoin is bouncing, I'm going to watch coin and even circle on the secondary list because this has started a small pullback yesterday. This was just dragged down a lot from the highs as well. Next one, let's see what happened with Eli Lilly, which is just dropping 7%, 7.42 at the moment. Despite posting second quarter earnings and revenue beat, the company also raised guidance for both its full year earnings and revenue. But in the meantime, Eli Lilly reported that the highest dose of an experimental daily pill helped patients with obesity lose around 12% of their body weight, or approximately 27 pounds at 72 weeks in the late stage trials. But seems like that was not enough, and definitely not. It was not a very uh, big wow effect for the stockholders because Eli Lilly, if I'm just going to check it on the pre-market now, seems like that despite of the good numbers, as you can see, it's just dropped extensively. Well, it has reached, as I see already, $640 level, guys. That's a huge, extensive drop. This is actually under 2025 lows on the 640. So I'm going to watch what's going to happen here because I must tell you this can be a two-edged sword here on this LLY. As you can see, it has started already quite of a recovery in the pre-market. So I'm going to watch it. I'm going to call it to the short side definitely, but I'm going to be careful. Anyway, LLY, it's a really big mover, but the spread is quite wide, can be as well. So be careful with that stock. Peloton, 19%. Wow. On earnings, actually, it is up 10.61% at the moment, very close to this $8 area. Let's see whether it's just going to make another nice push to the upside after the opening bell. Hi, Adrena. Nice to see you. Alemu, good morning. Hi, Zainab. Nice to see you as well. And Peloton is going to go to my long list. Let's see what happened with Airbnb. Rental companies saw shares falling 6%. While its second quarter results beat analyst expectations, the company is forecasting a weaker second half of the year. So Airbnb can just go to our short list. Next one, DoorDash, food delivery company rallied 8%. Let me just check Dash. How does it look like? And if you have just talked about Airbnb, I just going to check its daily chart as well. That looks like perfect for a short, guys. I like Airbnb for a possible continuation lower or so. Maybe 120 can be a stronger support there. We will see it. And let's see Dash. DoorDash, how does it look like on the daily chart? Oof, this is a bit extended for me, I must tell you. So I'm now going to be even surprised when I sell the news event, or so it does not look like in the pre-market because it's up 6.16%. Let's see, I'm going to call it to the long side, but with the dash, I'm going to be careful, just like with the LLY. Next one on my list is DraftKings, DKNG. Sports betting stock gained 7% after the earnings. Nicely done, DKNG. Let me just check how does it look like. DKNG, nice consolidation on the daily, nice breakout. Let's see whether it can just climb back towards to this $50 area. DKNG could be a great long candidate. Please tell about Tesla, NVIDIA, Coin, and AMD. Zainab, I was talking about Coin already. And actually, I am bullish on the coin because the Bitcoin is bouncing and even on Circle, by the way. AMD, NVDA, and Tesla. Well, Tesla, despite of the whole market being really strong, is just lagging behind. However, based on yesterday performance of the stock and the daily chart, the beautiful bounce from the 200 EMA, I'm expecting Tesla to continue higher, especially if it's going to be able to break the pre-market highs. So Tesla as well is going to be on my long list. On AMD, which was, not really fortunate with the earnings yesterday, and we got a nice short on that, by the way. Now it seems like it's recovering. Maybe the whole push on the semicon sector, because of the broad exemptions and regarding the Trump's 100% tariff on the chips. Maybe this is one of the reason as well why it's just making a nice pullback. Second, as you can see yesterday, daily chart is just ended like a quite of a hammer over the 20 EMA. So that can be easily a reversal for the AMD higher, but I'm going to be careful with that stock. So AMD at the moment, sign up, looks like as a rather as a long candidate, definitely stronger than the triple Q, but I'm going to be careful with that. And you know what? Which semicon stock is really strong today? It's MU. MU. MU is really strong. Look at that. 4% higher, 7,000. Amir's favorite. He will be happy, but I'm going to call it to the long side because so far on my watch list, this is the strongest, followed by definitely AMD. And what is SMCI? SMCI 1.24, not the best indeed. All right, traders, Duolingo, Intel, IONQ, Fortinet, we still a lot to go. Dual 29% higher, but this is a very pricey stock and actually quite spready, so I'm just going to call it to the secondary list. Intel is done because Donald Trump said on social media that Intel CEO Lip Bhutan should resign. Ouch. So that's definitely not a good news for INTC. Let me just check it. How does it look like on the daily at the moment? Daily chart, oof, under $20. Kidding me? Oh, poor INTC just cannot get back on its feet. INTC just to the secondary list, guys. I'm not sure which direction it's going to move actually. Okay, IONQ to the short side, as the quantum computing company reported a second quarter loss of 70 cents per share, much wider than the 29 cents analyst put by FactSet had expected. So this is not a good news for the IONQ. Might is going to wait on the whole quantum computing sector, but I must tell you this IONQ definitely looks like as a short candidate. Hi, Steve. See, yes, definitely DDOG. It was another earnings stock, right? It's just happened before the market open. I'm just going to check it. I'm going to write now IONQ to the short side, and let's see this DDOG. Datadog was another earnings stock for today. DDOG, beautiful jump, and seems like pre-market volume perfect. I completely agree with you. Let's just go to the long side. I'm just checking. Fortinet, HubSpot is the last ones. FTNT is down 21%. Ouch, that's painful to watch for a stockholder. Guys, that's why I am happy that we are intraday traders, because if you are holding the stock, especially during swing trading the stock and holding during the earnings period, this can happen, and that's a very nasty drop for the FTNT. I'm just going to move it to the short side. Also, in my opinion, it's a little bit too much, too fast, too furious to the downside. Let's see whether it can continue. HubSpot is the last one. This is HUBS. Just to the secondary list, it's a spready one indeed. And let me just check the earnings, because actually I've seen a little bit more for today. Today it is not the 27th of August. Oh yes, I was looking for NVDA earnings, and as usual, NVDA is always releasing the earnings later, and this time as well is going to happen at the end of the months indeed. So today we got Eli Lilly, COP as well, ConocoPhillips, CEG and VST we can watch as well. Let me just check them. CEG at the moment, Constellation Energy, as you can see, it's not a huge move indeed. Let me just check the VST. How does it look like? Aha, VST can be a short, guys. VST can be a short. I like it to the short side. By the way, regarding the earnings, I'm always checking the nasdaq.com earnings calendar. If you do not have a source for that, I'm more than happy to send it in the chat. So this is what I am checking and watching. What else in here, which it's actually a known stock, SRE. SRE can be quite of a mover, especially on the earnings day. So let me just check Sempra. Okay, not a huge mover today, so let's just leave it. And I think that's it for today. So we have a very nice candidates list to the long side, some to the short side, definitely. As I see, DVG is still watching Applied Materials, QCOM, TSM, definitely TSM, as it had a impact on the because of the tariffs, I mean the chips tariffs, so I'm going to watch it too. Applied material, QCOM, and so on, but I feel like we have enough to start this fantastic trading, David. So I'm just going to post my list. We wish good luck for the VIP room, 44 room traders. Good luck, team. And as always, I'm going to see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Take care. Bye. Okay, test traders, let me just check what else we do have on the list. If you have anything else, please just let me know. In the meantime, Amir is going to join soon. Just a second. Hi Amir, can you hear me? Good. Okay, I'm just going to connect you. Just a second. Okay, the usual technical things, you know. Just a sec, and you are going to be live. Okay. And here we are. I think you are on. Please just greet the traders here.
Hi guys, sound check. Hear me?
Oh,
Maybe nobody's in the room, Maggie.
there are. They are still maybe a
They're,
little bit
they're shy. They're
shy
shy.
and tired. Hi, Jeremy. Okay,
Tired. It's that we
they can
haven't
hear you.
yet started. First, this is my list today, and how many people are listening right now? Okay, Andrew, and I have a question for you, and after that, Aggie, I want you to put FIG yesterday pre-market and the opening, if you can.
Okay, of
Yeah.
course.
How many of you guys imagine your trade? Really, like, not gonna bullshit you, but really, imagine your trade. Meaning, you see something, you don't just see, okay, formation, you actually see, let's say, edge, whatever, and imagine what's gonna happen if it's gonna do this, it's gonna do this. You doing this, guys? Mm. Until I'm gonna give them a time, Aggie. Regarding to what you are doing in earning, I do it even in every program, even the Finviz, whatever. I have a scan for
Okay.
earning, and I can put, the market cap. Like I don't want to see every stupid earning, but
Yeah,
I can
sure.
see price, I can see,
Hmm.
let's say, volume, I can see market cap, and then it actually solves me. You try to. Um, Try to is not enough. I'm going to explain to you, and I'm going to ask you, and I'm going to explain to you, for example, what happened to me yesterday. Part of sometimes I imagine, like I see something, and I see, let's say, it has to be something, let's say, with edge. Look at FIG. I was so ready for this 80. If Aggie will take off, put the line, you can see that the high of the pre-market was exactly 80.00. Yeah, yeah. And just a second, and you're gonna see. And I knew, really, I actually am mad. What's gonna happen if it's gonna break that 80, and what will be the power? And according to this, I actually size it really bad. Yeah, like really, really, really. And see exactly what happened above 80, exactly here.
Hmm.
See what happened above 80.
Wow.
Now the low of the one candle was for me, I think it was 60 or 70 cent. It was 8 point. But see, everything in there, and that was a trade that actually it was $6, and
Hmm.
even if it was few, I was very happy. But that's exactly, sometimes again, this is something that happened yesterday, but in some version it happened. And when you imagine and you believe in that trade and you see, and sometimes you have to size much more in certain, formation, then this is trade. I will remember it. I will remember it because this is almost a week, even more than a week,
Hmm.
profit. So
Wow.
start to imagine, guys. Like there's
Like
things that happen. Like
visualize, no, it's
exactly.
maybe it's a better word that like to
You're right.
visualize
You're
what's
right.
going to happen
You're right.
on the
You're
chart.
right. It's very creative, like everybody
Yeah.
think it's boring, but sometimes when you see and you have time, and especially the when you have now the season, it's this is an IPO like very rare because most of the IPO were
Yeah.
very fucked up, but you have earning, you have things that today one of the candidates is AMD, for example, whatever. So try to see beyond, just the trigger, and I think it's gonna help you. So
Yeah. Yeah.
that's what I
Good
wanted to share
advice.
with you guys.
Thank you.
So you're welcome.
Thank you, Amir. Yeah, that was beautiful trade actually.
It's beautiful. It's like a picture, huh?
Yeah.
It's the wet dream of
Um,
a traders, huh?
Actually, by the way, if we are just talking about this imagination and visualization, I always tell to my traders when they are just in the phase of practicing to select the good setup, that it helped for me, for example, to print out, like to take a screenshot and print it out. I mean it, because really when you are just taking a look at the chart or at the setup and
Again,
see.
I will bother you for a second. I have
Okay.
a better version of what you are doing. I know, and
Okay.
I learned it from a very big prop company that I was like years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Why take picture? Just a screenshot, like the real one. Makes like record your screen, like record
Oh
like
yeah,
live,
yeah, yeah,
and
definitely.
and then just cut the right trade that you have and put it on
Yeah,
file. And
yeah,
part of instead of this one, you
like
just do
digitally.
a clip, and then it
Yeah,
comes to your mind what happened in the level two, what's happened in the this, and that's
yeah, yeah,
even better.
definitely,
But this is how
definitely.
you actually get your mind to train, for those kind of formation. You're absolutely right. Look for
Exactly.
that. Yeah.
For the starters especially, I remember, my early years, that it was so hard to decide whether this is now it's an A plus setup, or this is just a good C or
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
with that, like even if you are storing it digitally, or I made it on paper like 60 years ago,
The-
and then
because
I was
you were in Hungary. Now in Spain, you're gonna be much more progress. Of course.
hopefully, hopefully.
Of course. Of
Hi
course.
guys, in the meantime. Hi Brice Coder, Matt, nice to see you guys. Lee, good morning. Andrew B. I
Hey
mark
guys.
levels and prices. Yeah, this is important as well, definitely, to see where can be a trigger actually.
Exactly. Exactly.
Nice, 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 nice.
Exactly. I think,
So,
yeah. So we have IO in Q. AMD just because yesterday, SMCI from yesterday. On the second list, I have we have DKNG, we have
Mm,
CLF, but you just can't. For me, 2-3 is enough for the opening.
yep.
And what did you trade yesterday, Aggie? What was your
Tesla long, AMD short, and I shorted the market. So I ended in red.
okay? Okay, yeah. What are you doing, for example, the TQQQ that you do all the time? It's
Yeah,
part of your pattern.
yeah,
Really, like you're specialized in that. To when you see marketing something automatically you do, and this is what you should do. The A plus mean that there is formation that you do good and you identified and you did it like at least 20, 30, 40, 70, 100 times,
yeah.
and the more your status is good, you can risk much more on those one.
Mm,
Definitely. Okay, that was yesterday. Today, zero money
new
we have.
new
Yeah,
day, new
yeah,
opportunities, definitely.
yeah.
Disneyan, yeah, that was another quite of a earning
Disney?
stock.
Oh yeah, yeah, there was something there.
Hmm, looks interesting. Yeah, yesterday it was a huge hammer.
And I saw that you have here at least two traders women, correct?
Yeah, at least.
Yeah,
I don't know where
good.
is Tara. Maybe she is
Yeah, Tara, I
trading
remember.
now.
Tara is the aggressive one. No, she has extreme trades, correct? She has
She has good
extreme.
calls.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
here is
yeah, yeah,
N,
yeah.
and the first and the second we have.
Okay.
We have two N's for sure.
Oh, okay. All the time I heard that women will be better trader than men, because they don't have ego, whatever. And I don't see a lot, unfortunately. And I think I did hundreds of mentoring. Probably, if I can count, Aggie, maybe
Yeah,
three, maybe four women,
I had,
not
yeah, the
more.
same 3 or 4 women. And we have
What?
Adrena as well.
Oh, one even stop in the middle. She had a good reason. She got a baby.
Exactly,
Yeah, she was
exactly.
she was pregnant while she was this
Yeah.
and that. I still owe her a few lessons, but she knows.
Huh, it's life, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
next to a baby, it was not easy to trade either for me,
hmm,
but somehow I managed it.
yeah.
Oh, SEDG, 5% higher as I see.
Which one?
SEDG, it's a solar stock. It's
Ah,
5%.
SCTG. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's even in Israeli. It's a crazy one, Aggie.
I
It's
know,
loaded.
I
It's
know.
loaded with shorts, and
Yeah,
I
that's
even
amazing.
swing it once. Was very
Oh, really?
fast. Was good,
Wow.
and happily it was on my side. Because if not,
Yeah, it
yeah,
can hurt, this
yeah,
stock.
it's
Tesla was
I
a big
don't.
runner yesterday, so I'm going to watch it around this 320 as well. Looks strong. Hood. Hood is not. And MU is very strong today. Have you seen that?
I don't watch. I was in a long relationship with MU, so now we're split. Aggie.
Okay, okay, okay.
Enough is enough. You
All
can you
right.
can say me hello, but from MU, but I'm not gonna watch it. I need
Okay.
quiet from that.
All
Okay.
right, Jeremy watching NBIS as well. NBIS, I think we can. Yes, it's here. How does it look like? Wow, 16% higher. It's not a buyout, something like that. It's such a huge move. But
What
nowadays
you?
you don't need to get a buyout for these moves.
Yeah.
Crazy. All right. Do we have 30 seconds to start? And let's see what else I can see on my watch list.
Probably have a lot. So
Yes, too many. Again, too many candidates for today. Crocs, 22% lower. Nobody's buying the Crocs slippers anymore.
slippers. At last they saw that it's a very ugly shoes, but everybody like it, huh?
Exactly. Okay,
Okay. Good luck.
traders, good luck. Okay.
Oh, AMD exactly broke at the high of the.
Big movers everywhere so far. I'm wondering what Reddit is going to do as well. Going to watch Reddit as well today. Oh, Scott already buying DKNG.
I hope for short, for long, for short.
No, he's buying. He's buying.
Ah, he's buying right now?
Ah.
Okay. AMD over 168, guys. I have to be fast. 68. No, I didn't succeed. Yeah, now if it's coming back again, stop gonna be like 50 cents. Okay. Okay, AMD. Wow, what a spread. What's going on though? Okay, 50 cents. That's the limit for that.
Mm-hmm. Market is just so far pushing
Okay.
higher.
Okay, MD, 60 cents. At this time, like if it's coming back
Nice.
under entry, I'm gonna close it. I'm not gonna let it, but yeah. Okay, let's see more. 68,
Airbnb I'm watching.
65 we did. Okay, 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 up.
Nice. I just missed the entry there.
Okay, I need another push. I need to be another big bar, take 3/4, stop under entry and move on. Okay.
Okay, I'm watching Airbnb for a possible short. Market is still pushing higher as I see.
SMCI 47 above the high 47.80. Stop gonna be 40 cents. Sorry that it's the
Okay.
last minute, but we are trading. Okay.
SMCI.
SMCI
Mm-hmm.
in.
Ooh, wow, that looks crazy strong now.
IONQ going the other way. Still in AMD. Still in AMD. Okay, AMD. 80 cents. Let's see if we can get a dollar. SMCI. Stop is under 40. Looks like it's gonna fail.
Okay, I'm watching Airbnb under 120.40. 120.40 on the Airbnb. Stop loss, it should be over the high, so watch out at least like $1.50.
They also got her earning correct, but not good,
Yeah,
I think. Yeah.
yeah, very bad outlook for the future. Okay. Okay, market is strong so far.
Yeah.
And let's see. Okay, so Airbnb guys, I'm going to enter under 120.40. Wow, DKNG, that's a comeback. NVIDIA broke. So AMD, you should just follow now. Come on. Okay, I'm in Airbnb. Let's go for 119.
I want to take IO and Q. I'm going to write you 39.90,
Mm,
60 cents stop. IO and Q. Okay, some style looking good. I took something in AMB and my stop going to be 10 cents under 168.
nice.
Yeah, I'm out. Profitable, I thought will be much more pressure, but fine.
Yeah, it started nice. I mean, the market itself.
SMCI, guys. SMCI looking good. IO and Q. I will look for different trades because it broke the stop, but I'm gonna watch it.
Okay.
Guys, SMCI, I'm gonna add more over 48. Stop gonna be like 30 cents for the add. I think it shows strength here and
All right,
over.
traders, on the Airbnb, I'm going to take a partial soon. Sorry, Amir. Around
No, no, no.
119. Looks like
Trades
it's
before manners, Aggie.
a
No manners, trades.
nice
Uh,
Airbnb, 40 more cents. Come on.
Yitzhak, I don't remember when. I did a nice on run. I think around 10, a few weeks ago, I think I sold it. Yeah, I sold it today. Probably it's earning.
Hmm.
Probably it's earning.
Yeah, CDG is quite strong. Ooh, LLY was quite of an interesting short too, but it's too late. Ooh, this
LLY,
SMCI looks good.
it's a crazy stock,
It is.
LLY.
It is.
Yeah. Only the spreads, you have to take some pills before you just, trade that stock.
Okay, SPY pulled back a little bit, but nothing serious here. All right, Peloton was another big mover today. Wow, that's hectic. It's a hectic one today. Oh, come on, Airbnb. I so much hate when they're doing that, you see? Just broke down, could not get my partial, and making a reversal. Okay. Microsoft done. How about Apple? Apple is by 220 almost. Amazing. This is a beast again. KNG. Right, traders, if you have anything on the radar, please just write us in the chat. IO and Q under 39.90. You will
No, it was
take.
it was earlier by trigger. Now it's actually go higher. I'm watching it. I don't know yet the trigger. Tell you the truth.
Still looks okay.
Yeah.
John, ready, down pressure. Yeah, finally. This is such a crazy mover nowadays. It had 3 or 4 huge green days. Now maybe it's the time to take some profit, right? But be careful with it. This is a quite of a big mover.
I'm gonna start half position IO and Q 4020. I'm gonna give it only 30 cents. If it's not breaking the
Okay.
50, that's the area I want. Half position, I want to see what's going on after. Maybe under 40, I'm gonna add for full position.
Coin is not moving. I was expecting a bit more from coin. Oh, come on, Airbnb. Still leave my. I still leave my stop loss there over the high, but doesn't look good. Overall market is heading back to the highs, and as I see, triple Q is breaking out. Amazing. Just breaking out. AMD getting back to the highs. Look at that, Amir.
I'm not there. Okay.
No? Okay. QBTS checking.
Had earning also.
Mm. Ooh, QBTS, huge comeback. You're right. And guys, we should watch even PLTR as well. PLTR is
Yeah.
just
Okay, SMCI
like
guys.
stronger.
Earlier I didn't add above the high because the bid didn't go, but now yes. Okay.
I think I'm going to
Okay.
join USMCI.
I'm double sized there. I don't want to see it breaking. If it's breaking 48 few cents, I'm gonna reduce. Yeah, I'm sizing, so I have to be a little bit more. And I want to see the passion immediately. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, I'm going to join as well over the high, I think, on the
Okay, so we got
SMCI.
48.17. I am. The stop for the half size is 40 cents in IONQ. It just broke the 50 like few, but it's still okay. If you see ASFCS, yesterday was the earning. So if you're gonna see even in 15 minutes, it's looking amazing. We have some resistance around
Mm.
49 something. Like we have edge. Like if the guys decide to buy, yeah, they have a space. Looking good. Okay,
Okay,
SMCI. Looking good. We have like almost 50 from the first entry and 20 for the ad. Looking good, looking good,
looks good. Market
looking good.
supports us. Dicking Tesla long, maybe just over the high, it's just stuck a little bit.
Okay, guys, 60, 30 on that. Let's see if we can break to the 50. If not, maybe towards the 50, 48, 50, 40 something. Now still I see the power. Yeah, it's looking good, really.
Mm.
Going good. Good, 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 good. Okay, another 10 cents. Okay,
Nice SMCI.
yeah. You came ready, guys. You come ready, you just blink the trades. Yeah, there's no other reason, really. Each trade, levels are spoken. Okay, 40. We have 70 cents. IONQ is not ready yet.
No, it's just hovering around. Dicking, I just thank you to warning me because I have not seen that. You can see
Okay,
it
we
now.
got 40. Let's take a partial here in SMCI. Good. You took
Ooh,
SMCI, guys.
I
Yeah,
just joined
good.
here. Let's see. Market got quite of an ugly rejection on the highs traders, especially the
Good,
SPY, so watch out.
good.
I know you do. Yesterday I was red. So, you know what? I'm just going to get this Reddit. Small share size, guys.
Okay, IONQ half in. Under 40, full size. Wow, SMCI. Boom shakalak. Yeah, 80 cents. Good, good, good. There's
Ooh,
edge, there's edge. Don't sell everything, guys.
I'm just
Leave
taking
some.
my
Okay.
partial here.
IONQ. Again, we need somebody to help with the what's going on here. Yeah, everything is going. IONQ, full size.
Okay.
Good, good.
SMCI beautiful. I'm going to get Reddit as well if it's going to push under 211. And I took a partial on my SMCI as well.
IONQ. Okay, IONQ. Good, good, good. 40 cents, 50 cents. Good, good, good. I even add
Wow,
under 40. Yeah.
nice
Yeah, Aggie, we
performance,
came ready
guys.
today, Aggie. We came to work.
Yeah,
We're not bullshit. After that
exactly.
coffee. Yeah.
Okay. Oops, circle it was a by accident. No, check my working orders. Sometimes I just, click the
Yeah,
button
yeah, yeah,
by.
I know. Believe me, I know.
Uh,
Sometimes it's
yeah, AMD entry was still there. Okay,
okay. I
guys.
see some resistance around 80. Let's see if we can break IONQ. Uh, okay.
Apple ready to
SMCI.
break.
SMCI, we can bring the stop under the 80, under the first, under 80, 47.80. Okay, IO and Q looking good. If you want to be very super aggressive, you can even add more IO and Q 39.70.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have there nothing, so it's good that we took a partial in SMCI. Wow.
Yeah. Traders, my stop loss on Airbnb 122.35, final stop loss.
Okay,
And
look at
yeah,
CELH. CLH, they had earning. Look
C
at CLH. Yeah, over
C
maybe
C L
52.
H
52, it's exactly
Celsius.
there. Yeah, yeah, Celsius. Yeah, but yeah, no,
Hmm.
the stop is too big for. Okay, IO and Q. Okay,
Wow, nice. I don't know why I did
yeah,
not enter.
it's too added.
Okay.
Yeah, automatic order, Adi. I'm just
Yeah, I
using
know.
automatic. I don't have time to.
I was just checking on Reddit, so
Yeah, I
this is
did
going to
this
be
and I
my
did
next trade.
automatic order for the ad. So, yeah.
Watch out on Reddit traders. If it's breaking 211, I'm going to take a trade
King,
there.
and another. Don't worry if you miss. This is very high intensive.
Mm,
It doesn't fit forever, but it doesn't mean that you're not a good trader. I trade with a lot of students, and sometimes we start to trade. After 15, 20 minutes, it's totally fine. You have to adjust the trading to your personality. Don't try to be, if you're a slow thinker, which is fine, things can happen even after 20, 30 minutes. So don't try to do something fast when you don't have the capability, because then you fucked up. So don't feel bad. Trade's going and it's looking great, but it's totally okay. Really.
yeah, usually the next opportunity is just around the corner.
Yeah, you start feel FOMO,
So,
Aggie.
yeah,
The name's running, the partial's running, and people, start to be frustrated. They will
no.
say not, but definitely inside they are. I know, believe me.
Yeah, I know, of course. It's because you always compare yourself to other
Yeah,
traders most of
yeah,
the times,
yeah,
and
yeah,
definitely this is not the best way to trade or to
yeah,
improve in trading.
yeah. Okay, I took a partial in IO and Q. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add more over under 39.50. Let's see if 50 cents is enough. Yeah, my stop is gonna be for the entire position above the round number after I'm gonna add. So
Nice.
we start the short on the big bar, weakness. Now the stock is starting to develop a nice bear flag, and the stop is exactly the view up. The view up become resistant.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna keep that way, it's gonna be fine. Even if it's gonna cross it a little bit, still gonna watch it. SMCI guys, wow,
Wow. Huh?
that's nice. That's nice if you still have your shares, guys. If you didn't sell everything, okay. I'm putting
Okay.
order under 39.50. How is the execution in TEFS, Aggie? Good.
It's really good, really fast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
even here, yeah.
We just improved the spreads as well, especially on the XAU USD, on the
What do you
gold.
mean?
So,
What do you mean the spreads?
like, the spread on the gold, on the forex side as well. So,
I'm not familiar. I'm only.
I know, but some of the traders they really
Oh,
like to
it's
trade
fine.
gold, especially nowadays, with this crazy market.
It's the same system, probably. It charts. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter if it's called
yeah,
gold or if it's called
exactly.
IONQ.
Completely, completely.
SMCI, I'm gonna take another partial towards the round number, just because it's round numbers and it's gonna be like $1.20. And
Okay. AMD is going higher now.
yeah, yeah, I knew it happened. It did a
So
nice shakeout, but
yeah. Oof, I'm out of the this Airbnb unfortunately is just rigged me. UPST is very strong too. I'm just watching this for possible reversal there, but now it's not that interesting anymore. Traders, the Reddit is not in yet, and of course, if it's going to break higher, I'm not going to enter. Overall market is a little bit like consolidating here on the lows. But these bulls, especially the tech bulls, are today very strong again. Amazing. Triple Q is back over the VWAP. Wow. TITR is lazy today. Hmm. Okay. Duolingo.
Also had earning.
Mm-hmm. It's too
What,
much the
what is this
upside.
company doing? They know
Duolingo.
Duolingo?
I'm using it. I'm learning Spanish with it.
Ah, it's for language.
Yes, yeah, it's a really good one actually.
Okay, IO and Q.
Mm, this market seems like yesterday was really choppy on the market. Wow, SMCI, beautiful. It was just out on the entry, unfortunately. But yesterday everything was so choppy.
Yeah, but there was so many candidates. You know, the
Yeah.
AMD, the
Yes,
SNCI, the
definitely.
FIG. You know, the market was choppy, but there was some stock that.
Mm.
Look at your Tesla. There is a volume coming there, so we have to start
Yes,
watching
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Dicky, maybe the
'Cause-
Tesla. Again, was just asking about a possible
oh,
long
okay.
there.
I'm watching DKNG. Let's see, 46,
DKNG.
76. No, I don't think
Mm.
I don't have a good risk reward here, and it's 8 cent spread, and the stop is not. No, it's not ready yet. Still gonna watch it.
Mhm. Really, Tesla is coming higher now. Wondering about QBTS here around the 1680.
QBTS. Oh,
Hmm.
it's the same as I look at QBTS. Agi, put it chart under IO and Q. It's
I know it's
copy
almost
paste.
the same.
It's almost
Look
the
at
same
that
sector,
guy.
same
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Triple Q is on fire, guys. It just doesn't want the market to go down.
Chipotle?
No, triple Q. I'm saying like the
Ah,
Nasdaq
triple
is
Q.
very
I
strong.
thought you said Chipotle, you know. I don't know what's going on with Chipotle today.
Wow, AMD has not stopped even by the 170.
Yeah. You see, sometimes that's how small you are.
Yeah.
That was the imagine part, the visual. I was expecting that, but the false 2 minutes red bar, kicked me out after the partial, and yeah, yeah. It's a good stock, what happened yesterday, blah blah blah. It's just cheaper to buy.
Yep,
So
for sure.
yeah.
Don't say Chipotle, you make me want a burrito.
2 days ago I ate a very crappy one. Yeah, not
Oh,
good.
really?
Yeah,
It's not good.
not there are very tons of Spanish restaurant, the Mexican restaurant here,
Mm.
and the one they have, some of them are very fake.
Oh,
So
that's not good.
yeah,
Okay, traders, I've entered to Reddit. Let's go for a 209, $2 to 13.50. It's my stop loss there. SPY triple Q is still strong. I really hope I'm going to find some nice burrito in Spain. I know it's not Mexico, but
you're gonna have
still
a
a bit
good,
closer.
you're gonna have a good tapas.
Tapas,
Don't
oh,
worry.
I love
Yeah,
tapas. That's for
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
And the jamón, serrano jamón. Okay, what's that? Amazon. What Amazon is doing? Come on. I completely missed it. Look at that beast today. I'm telling you, the whole tech sector just got a boost again. Come on, Reddit, give me $2.
Okay, I think I need to refresh my stocks because nothing happened yet.
Mm. Yeah, it's completely crazy, Sharko, this Amazon. Diking, you love Mexican food, can't live without it. Agi, what do you mainly eat there? Like in Spain, what I'm going to mainly eat? I don't know yet.
She's gonna grow her food. You know, she's gonna have a big garden with vegetables, organic vegetables. Correct, Agi?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That sounds great. Bit boring, but great.
Not boring, Agi. We need something to take away the stress of the trading.
Yeah,
So we
that's
need
for
something
sure.
boring. Yeah.
Healthy eating. Wow, PRTR, I missed you. I was 180.50 I was watching there. Oh, come on, Reddit.
Okay. Put on your chart QS. Now it's at
QS.
the high. Yeah, but look at the daily,
Oh, yes,
Agi.
it got some news
You
as
have some.
well.
It can do a nice turnout on the daily. So we need to see some. I don't know what's happened there, but I don't care. We need to wait for something that, yeah, the daily looks amazing. 911, 911. It's not good to say, but it's
Mm,
9.11. Okay, guys, so we're
yeah,
not going to be, yeah. On the daily, it looks good. So we
yeah.
need to see it. What I'm thinking is we need to see if it's getting 9, maybe even a break, fail, and on the second part, we're going to join them. So that's kind of what I'm watching on QS.
Looks nice. PRTR, I just missed it. This AMD is completely in a beast mode together with NVIDIA and Amazon. I like this QS too. Can't believe this Reddit. It's up like after a gap, 1, 2, 3, 4 big green days. It's still pushing higher. Triple Q looks like it's going for a new high. Okay, guys, Apple broke. Apple broke for a new daily high. Circle, checking too. Ooh, Circle is dropping farther. That's ugly. Guys, it's very important that Reddit should be a very small share size because as you can see, it's first of all very volatile. Second, the spread is quite high, but it can be a big mover. Uh, where I Okay, what I'm eating now? Well, I'm living in Hungary now, so of course goulash.
King,
And a
are
lot of
you watching?
paprika.
Are you watching the chart or you watching Aggie eating? What's going on?
No, Diking asked me that what am I
Yeah.
eating like
Oh,
in
okay.
this country now.
Goulash with a good paprika. Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah. I like goulash, really.
It's nice. It's like a very light meal,
It's not light. Goulash is not light.
Not at all.
After goulash, I can't even go to the screen even.
Yeah.
Um, I'm raising stop under 48 in SMCI, and I want to see this
Nice.
candle. I like it. If it stay like this, I want to add over 48.30, and the stop gonna be like 20 cents. Okay, 48.30, 20 cents.
Okay, traders, finally Reddit is moving. Let's go for 209. Still like 209.20 is going to be my final partial there, but we need to break 210 first, 210 first. Market though, it's still definitely not helping for the shorts today again. What a surprise.
I like shorts, you know. It's
Me
going
too.
very well. It's going fast and furious. Yeah.
It can. Coin is starting to be stronger, traders. This is what I'm watching for a possible long here. Market
Okay,
is
guys.
very strong.
SMCI, 30 cents on the ads. Let's see if we can get to the high 80. It's gonna give us like 50 cents. And if we're gonna break the high, again, I want to do the first partial, the second partial for the trade, and I'm gonna take the partial on the ads. Before 49. Yeah. Gonna give me like a 70 cents, like almost more than 1 to 3, and yeah. Okay,
Okay,
QS got to 9, doing retracement. That's what I want to see.
I'm going to buy coin over 315.60. 315.60. Okay, I just got a little bit too much to the ups. I mean, too much share size, so I halved it. So 315.60 coin. Let's go for a 317.80. Okay, here comes Reddit traders. Reddit. Nice. I'm ready to take
I'm
three
ready
quarter
to
off.
take a partial. You're ready to take a partial.
Yes, I'm ready to get Reddit.
Yeah.
70%. No, T09. Let's just break it. Come on. Break it. I'm again greedy. Look at that. She's coming back already. Oh my god, I hate this choppy market.
Where was your entry in Reddit?
Under 211.
Okay.
Mm.
Shop, yeah. Every candle there is
Yeah,
like a bad celebration.
yes, exactly. Really, this market is not for shorts, guys. It's just everyone is buying everything, but at least our coin is going. Let's go for 318 for the first partial. Ooh, YONQ. That came back.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I don't think so. Reddit is going to be my favorite stock to trade. Come on, coin, go, go, go. QBTS, like, you know what? 5 minutes ago, it looked like a nice short candidate. Now it looks like it's long. Oh my goodness, this market, it's just killing me. Circle just going down. How about Tesla? Oh, we forgot Tesla. Tesla is
Yeah,
pushing
yeah. You
higher
see
now.
that candle?
Nice.
Yeah, we had to watch it. Yeah.
That's nice. Okay, come on, coin. Reddit, come on. Don't like these levels here. This 210 could not fail. That's not good. AFRM looking interesting too, but I missed the volume from this stock. Look at that. It looks like as it wants to break out, but wow, extended on the daily. The volume is not right, so let's just leave it. Okay. You're still holding SMCI, Amir?
Yeah, I
Nice.
got out of the ad, but I'm yeah, my stop under 48. I told them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Good, good, good. Okay, traders. Unfortunately, this Reddit it's in full force to go against us over 213.20. I need to be out. So far, it stayed very nicely under the VWAP. Did not do anything wrong against us, but now it needs to really needs to drop again. Oh, this LLY was such a nice short. So I would say, yeah, shorts are working. Just you need to be on the right stock, right?
Like always, Agi.
Yes.
Nothing changed. Nothing changed. FIG, I want to do 85.40. It's around a dollar stop. Have time to write you FIG. Maybe will wake up. If you do automatic order, do big spread. Like if you're doing like five or something, that it's not gonna catch you. Be large.
Okay, Reddit unfortunately doesn't look good. Oh, come on, coin. QS. Checking QS.
Yeah, it's not. It's not. It didn't correct too much. Like it got to 901. I don't know.
Okay, final stop loss over this candle's high, traders. The rest of the stocks on Reddit. And coin. Coin is just coin. Coin is all over the place as always. SPY is much weaker than the triple Q. Look at that. It's just getting such a nice rejections, but the triple Q, it's completely a beast today. Okay. Wow, circle. What a drop today. I was not expecting that from this circle thing. Okay, market is choppy and we got news at 10 o'clock, but doesn't seem like it just made any difference in the market. Like, I mean, like, look at that. I'm just checking it. What was that? Final wholesale inventory, something like this. Does not mean too much. Just checking. Yes, it was okay. Not too much. Okay, doesn't matter. Oh, what is with Intel? Want to check Intel here,
The
CNBC.
the, pre- the president of the United
Yeah,
States wants the president of Intel to resign. I don't
yeah.
know why. It's something that was about it, but yeah. So probably they're down, correct?
Mm,
Yeah.
it's down.
So um, I'm
It's
watching
down, but
DKNG and
hmm?
I'm trying to see if I have option to short it. Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
think it did get to the yeah just a lower high. 45, 45. Let's start half size 45, 40, 30 cent stop. DKNG.
Amazon. Yeah, maybe it wants to close the gap, like you mean, Sharko, the daily gap, right? Maybe it's going to close it. Let's see. Market slowed down a little bit, and the SPY is getting weaker now. And unfortunately, Reddit not really. Reddit does not add
Okay,
too much.
DKNG inside. Problem, I don't have something. I don't have. I'm watching what's the pattern did.
Mm,
Wow. See, DKNG, there's nothing to relate to.
Yeah,
Like if I
I know.
want to, you see what I'm saying? Like I don't have nothing. Levels or something that I can relate to.
Ooh, it's interesting. SPY is breaking the lows, guys. SPY is
It's good.
breaking the lows.
Um, we have to see 45 area. Just
Mm,
because it's a round number, if it's gonna bounce or do something there, that's okay. FIG is not relevant. It's dropping, and I have to tell you something that happened to me. Definitely, it's happened to you, and um, you need a really quick action. By mistake, I put automatic order. I put the wrong levels.
mm-hmm.
Now it doesn't matter to me, like if it's happened, because sometimes people, when you get with different level, and then you start to, okay, maybe I bought it cheaper, so maybe it's. So the answer is no. It doesn't matter if it's going up or whatever in your favor or not. If you're doing by mistakes, if you get into a trade, immediately,
Yeah,
immediately go out. Go out. Sometimes I do this exercise with small amount of shares with students. Really, got
mm,
in, get out.
yeah,
60% of the time, they start to argue. Maybe it's going to be a good area. Or, you have to be very, sharp like a knife. There's no maybe. No maybe.
that's for sure.
So, okay, DKNG. Getting to 40 cents.
Nice.
I'm not taking nothing. I want to see maybe breaking 45, bounce back, and then I want to add more under 45. Um, if you took that trade, it's okay. If you are 1-to-1, it's totally okay. Give me another candle, and I'm ready to rock. Yeah, got exactly 45.01. Yeah. Guys, question? You're not writing nothing. What's going on? I just see my stuff that I wrote. I don't need to write, so.
Okay, I'm not really lucky with these shorts today, guys. Look at that ugly Reddit. Can't believe this stock, really.
Okay, guys, I added a little bit more under 45. Didn't get all my amounts. Okay, coming back on the way back under now again. I'm gonna add it.
Mm-hmm. Just wondering on this SMCI whether it can do a.
No, it's look crap, Aggie. It's too much on the
Oh,
view up there.
yeah.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
it's
it's
gonna
just
bring the view up.
consolidating
Yeah,
too much.
yeah, yeah.
Mm,
Too much consolidation, And look at the if you watch it in 5 minutes, there's too many red here.
yeah, yeah, you're right. Looks like my brother going to go back. No, it's breaking down. Tesla, not the strongest. And Apple, surprise, surprise, 220 and pulling back. But PLTR, it's in a beast mode, guys. You should watch PLTR. And unfortunately, Reddit. No, I don't want to be red again. Come on. That's so ugly. Okay. And the SPY is really weak. Look at that. Okay. So, coin, come on. Oh,
Going
this
under.
DKNG was
Yeah.
so nice for an intraday breakdown.
There's the area of 45.
Mm,
That's a good.
okay. Airbnb bounce. Apple is lower now. It's interesting, but the semicons are really strong. TR2. SPY is an interesting bear flag here.
No correlation between the Q and
No,
the SPY, huh?
no, I
Yeah.
don't like these days, I just feel like
Aggie,
it's
you're too
harder to
tense, Aggie. Go drink something, Aggie. Aggie. Yeah, sometimes the market
You
is
got
not
the
according.
point. You got the
Yeah, you
point.
need to. I feel that you're, yeah. You need to get away from the computer, Aggie, for a few minutes,
You
yeah.
know what? I got
I,
you. I just
I
got
do
some
it a lot.
coffee.
Believe me, I do it. When I start to feel like this, yeah, you need to.
Yes. Yeah, that's for sure. And hopefully by the time when I get back,
Last
coin is
time
going to be
it was
free
good. You
money.
remember on Tuesday? On
Yeah.
Tuesday when you went, came back, few dollars in your pocket, Aggie.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. Exactly. So I will be
okay,
back soon.
okay. 50 cents, guys, DKNG. Okay. I have the ad. I'm not gonna give the ad 10 cents, not more than this. I want to see it immediately. Um, yeah, I see a good volume, but you took the DKNG, guys. SMCI. Um, I don't know. Under 48 is exactly on the view up. You know, and this is a really. It's not a clean trade. I know what you're saying. I don't know. Not sure totally. It's fine, King. She needed the rest. It's okay. You see what happened? It broke the 48, immediately bounced. You see? That was why what I thought it's gonna do. Um, DKNG did exactly a retest. Really. Um, King, SMCI under 90 can be interested. 47.90. You have exactly like 30-cent stop. Um, yeah. If DKNG is not breaking the 45.50, DKNG I'm gonna add under 45.20, and total stop is 30 cents. Like even by entry, I'm reducing it from 70 to above 50, 52, 53. Okay, so 45.20. Still watching FIG, guys. 85.40, $1 stop. Still like that trigger. No, 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 no. SMCI is high or low? Low or high? Definitely right now it's going down. Yeah. Under 90. I didn't take it, but it could be a trigger. 30-cent stop makes sense. DKNG guys, 45.20, stop 30 cents. If you are with me from 45.40, oh, the stop is again few cents above 50. I like that levels. Oh, there is a stock I forgot to watch today. Um, Hims. How come I don't have a chart of it? Okay, DKNG. Okay, guys. Of 30 cents. Okay, the low of 44.85 is the low there on DKNG that we need to break. Let's see the volume. The volume. 15 minutes, it looks good. 5 minutes, not really. Oklo, Oklo, go away from there. Look at the chart. Can get a headache of that chart. Not good. Guys, are you in DKNG? Hmm. Yeah. Nobody took DKNG? Okay. MU? What do you want to do? MU late? MU under the VWAP 113 could be amazing short if I could see it. Now, free falling. You can sing Tom Petty, except that you don't have nothing to do. Yeah, I like it also. The question is if DKNG will like it. Yeah, it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Like, you remember when I start my trade, I start not full position under 45.40, and I said, Aggie, I wanted to add more. I add a little bit, like in 10 cents, like say, just round number, which was barely nothing, but it was just 10 cents. And I did have a reflect some point to point, and now I like what I see because we have 44.85, and definitely I'm not going to give it more than 25 cents for that. Okay, so um, we add in DKNG Aggie under 45.20, and we're gonna add under the 44.85, and the rest what we can do is just pray now. So that's it.
Okay, I'm back. What we should do? Praying?
Now after we put the orders. Raspi, I don't understand what you wrote. It's weird. It's under show bot, not wow.
Wait,
Don't
I'm
understand.
coming. I'm
Agi, do you
trying.
understand what Raspi writes?
Just a sec.
Ah,
Let me.
DKNG is under, DKNG is under. Try to write me again, Raspi. Yeah, of course. Um, the round number, it was just reflective area, but it was basically nothing. Now, the 85, we want to see that exactly. Oh, just a second.
I can't believe Reddit.
You're still in Reddit?
No, unfortunately not.
No, I'm not watching it. I just remember that you. Okay, guys. Pathetic break of 85. Um, okay. 5 cents against me. I'm reducing half of my size. Yeah, it need to. Can't be more than this, really. Need to do immediately. 5 cents above it. I'm going to reduce half position.
Hmm. I think I'm not going to fight this market. I'm just in red at the moment, unfortunately. Oh, I don't know when I was red in on 2 consecutive days.
How
It's
red
a
you were?
scary
Like
feeling.
small red? Small red or not?
Yesterday I got a small red. Today it's a bigger red, unfortunately.
Hmm.
Seems like its shorts are really not. So you have to be careful with the shorts today. Okay, if you are still holding Reddit, guys, fantastic. Hopefully it's going to break 210 finally. And actually, I try to understand Raspi, but I just don't get. Looks like it's an ending point.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't know.
well, we understand each other. Yeah, it's like
Okay, okay.
it's the adding
Sorry,
point.
Raspi.
We add Aggie and we have like 8 cent on that Aggie, which is good.
Nice.
It's good. Yeah, we're in deep. We're swimming in the money. Yeah,
Good.
we're
Get me
diving
some.
even. Yeah, we're
I'm diving
diving.
as well into the red
Yeah,
at the moment.
yeah.
Thank you, Dicking. Very appreciate your support. Yeah, it happens even with the professional traders, as you see. Still did not give up on coin, but doesn't look good. Just get rejected on the highs.
Look at
And
SoFi, Aggie. SoFi.
SOFI,
Yeah, it's in a nice area. I want to see just a second the daily.
checking.
Yeah, yeah, I'm checking.
Hmm,
2220.
not bad.
2220. What's the high? Nah, no, not a good risk reward. No.
Yeah, other.
Yeah. Guys, DKNG. Okay,
Oh,
for our first entry from 45.40, we are almost 80 cents, guys. It was but it's fine. We add 45.20, and so you know what? It's a good trade. I'm just watching about the last ad. And even the last set, guys, we're almost 30 cents. Okay, I was pessimistic, but yeah, well, it's good. Look at the pattern of the candle. You see, that's cool. That's cool.
Good, good, good.
You took it, guys. Raspi, I'm assuming you took it, or you just ask about it. Yeah, that's good. You see, that was a good point. Yeah, like we got 45-40 and it was okay. They never get against us. But when you had a good, point here, that was like a stops area. And look at this right now. Wow, 40 cents on that. Good.
Right.
That's good. Yeah.
Okay. SPY looks like it's a bear flag in the meantime. Triple Q2, but I just don't
Good,
trust
Raspi.
this move to the downside.
Good.
Yeah, he took it. Well done.
Good. Let's take some partial here. I'm taking the first. Basically, it's the first. I took a small one, but yeah, I'm taking first part. It's exactly $1 from the first entry. So it's going to be 40 cents on the ad, last ad, and yeah, it's a good area. Yeah, I'm taking a partial here. And stop is now above 45. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Market is starting to be slow a little bit.
Why, guys? I see a lot of people miss. What was the reason for miss? I almost never miss. Why automatic orders? All the entry were automatic orders. We spoke about this 85, throw an order. We talk about 45.20, throw an order. Yeah, I told you the king under 45.90. Uh, yeah, that was a good area with 30 cents stop. Really, I didn't take that trade, but yeah. Um, you're around the 50. Maybe it's a good area to take some profits. You added good, Raspi. I took a partial, so now I'm not good. Yeah, yeah. You know why I took a partial there? It broke the 50, and when it break around numbers or something, I want to see the price and see what happened right now. You see from the 40, like almost 30, 40 cents up. Because I want to see if it's like the capitulation continue, it has to be drop immediately. If you see that it suddenly change characteristic, definitely you have to take some profits. So
Still looks okay. Just need to go lower.
still watching QS, but nothing happened there. Yeah, nothing happened.
No, things are starting to slow down a little bit as I see. I'm wondering what happened on Circle again. Look at that circle there.
CLCL,
Mm.
it's the IPO, no? The
Um,
yeah,
ah,
yeah, it was IPO like yeah, a few months ago, 2 months ago. It was a good IPO. Look at what it did. Like it was when it was FIG, they always said about it was even better than the Circle
oh
because
yeah.
the Circle was the last one that was good. What's going on there? Circle? I don't know. It's a circle, Agi. One day up, one day down. Yeah, it's a
Yes,
circle.
exactly.
Yeah. Okay, guys, DKNG, look at this. Look at this. That's the what I
Mm.
like to see. There's um no strength to carry on higher, and yeah. Still watching the FIG, guys. It spiked a little bit above, but now it's above 45.80, 85.80. Sorry.
And this can be a small pullback on the market in the meantime. Still holding my coin. Ooh, Meta, how ugly it is today. All over the place. Okay.
Even Tesla dropped dead to the side.
Yeah. Yeah, that actually is just not doing anything at all.
Look
Yesterday
at
it was such a nice mover.
look at Nvidia in the area of 183.
Yeah, I was just
Nvidia,
watching it.
what's the high? 88. Yeah, not a big stop even, like maybe the
Yeah.
30 cents. Yeah.
Hmm.
King, guys. We actually feel king. Around 44, we take a partial and we're gonna conquer the kingdom. Yeah. Let's do the 44.05. I'm throwing an order. Take some profit there. That's a trade of patience, guys.
I would say this Reddit coming for a second chance trade.
That's what we were saying. Nvidia 140, but if I have to grade this trade, maybe B minus, not more than that. Like now there is a trigger. It actually touched a lot of times, but we're getting towards. It's not really the lunchtime, but that's a market stock, and I wouldn't take it if you're taking it in full size. That's for sure.
Hmm. Ooh, market just really slowed down now. Yeah, very slow actually. But yes, this NVDA looks interesting. I don't think so I'm going to take any more trade now. The 633 area and 570 can be a stronger support for the market here, I think. So let's see.
Where did you take coin, Angie?
315.50.
315.50. You took it long.
Yes.
Okay. Where was your stop?
Under 310.
Wow, you gave a
So
big stop,
it's
huh?
coin. I know, but it's coin.
Wow. It's
Netflix, Dicking.
it's been a while since I
Oh,
traded coin. What's the I used to trade a lot on the swing Mara. That
Mara.
was my stock, Mara.
Yeah.
Yeah. For day, just if something really.
Okay.
Guys, DKNG, close to take another one. I want to see if we can. I cancel my auto order. I'm not so much busy right now. I want to see if we can actually maybe break the 44. We hit the 4405.
Nice. DKNG. Just going to put it here on the chart to see. What a pullback. Wow. This DKNG. Netflix,
Sentence
it's no volume. Sorry. Netflix has no volume, the king. I don't think so. I want to touch it today.
sentence that can describe, the DKNG. You're trading
Mm-hmm.
what you see, not what you hear. DKNG yesterday, like it was because of the earning was very high on the aftermarket and whatever.
Mm.
And you have to be objective. Doesn't mean that you want to be a smart ass because you short a strong stock, but price action, people care. I don't know. I don't care. You just watch it as a momentum, and you actually see the charts, and you try to read it correctly. Yeah. Sometimes again, you can be creative. You can go against, short a strong stock just because you see it.
Yeah.
See the you see the chart. You see how the stock did on the pre-market, what it's doing on the opening, and that's the hardest part in trading. Just to see reversal, to see this. It's yeah, there's a lot of behind. You watch. You need to refocus on. Like for example, one something that the only thing that I kind of angry about me is that after we took the profit and I got out in AMD, I didn't watch the stock. A lot of times, the second chance. This is not second chance, but you can trade few times. Sometimes it's the candle after you actually get out, which is okay. And it did exactly what I thought it would do,
Mm.
but I didn't, watch it. So okay, guys, 44 in DKNG. It's not breaking above 44.05. Okay, we broke it. Yeah, but immediately rejected. 44.05. Okay, the bid is under. The ask is under, but only 1 cent. Now I'm just watching the level 2, not watching the chart.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, open. Yeah, it's rejecting it. Okay, got a partial.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
It choke you? Why it choke you, Raspi? It did exactly what it was.
Shook me out, AMD at the open.
It shook.
Shook.
It
Mm-hmm.
shook you out.
Shaken out.
I'm shaking. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What? Probably you have a good stop if you watch it again. What you
Yeah.
did? This is a $7 ATR. Okay, so I don't know how much was your stop, but definitely it's like Aggie did like $3 coin, and I watch. Coin is $20 ATR, so basically $3 is nothing. If coin decide to work, $3 of Aggie is nothing. Yeah,
I'm patient.
yeah.
Okay, I think I'm not going to. Cannot see anything else which I would really like. Yeah, market just dropped, one big green can or red candle. Now it's coming back. It's completely unpredictable on these lows now.
Now you see why I marked like B minus or something. The Nvidia. See what
Mm,
Nvidia did. Broke the 183 9 cents and then drop 70 cents.
yeah.
Shake guys up. I don't know now if I'm gonna see volume 183.10. Maybe I can get in. You know what?
Mm-hmm.
It makes to me. They just you see the bar. They just shook everybody. There was like a
Yeah.
30 cent stop. They kick everybody out, and you see it more often. You see those kind of things more often.
Yeah. Yeah, Circle John. Circle was a crazy one today.
Under 168. Hey King, your SMCI? Boom shakalak. Yeah,
Hmm.
boom shakalak. Really nice.
Nice.
You can throw an order around 48.90, 46.90. You know, a little bit above the close of yesterday, which probably the stock will get there. But
Hmm.
nice, nice. John Smith, it's the most common name in the States, no, John? John is this one and Smith, correct? Yes. FIG.
Okay, I just cannot see anything else so far. Need. Think I'm going to leave alone the Reddit, also it looks interesting. Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. Let's see. I'm now moving DKNG into 15-minute charts, and I'm trying to see where is my stop. Right now it's above 45, and above 45, which I'm going to leave it
Mm.
there. Took a few partials, so I feel comfortable there. We have the 9 EMA 44.75. So if you're going to see it getting there, and then doing the waterfall. You know what is a waterfall, guys? When the stock is getting to a certain area, then go a little bit higher, a little bit against, and then turn back like a waterfall. Then I can actually put my stop there.
Hmm. I think I'm not going to babysit this coin trade. Let's just see. Market is pushing a bit lower. Not that bad.
Even
Soros.
though again the Q is much stronger than the
Yeah.
SPY.
Yeah, but it started to, at least it's under the VWAP now. So before that, it was not even under the VWAP.
Yeah, even I'm watching the IWM, to see small
Oh,
cap,
yes.
whatever.
Mm.
Yeah, it's negative,
Hmm.
negative.
No, I think 570 is going to be quite of a major support for the triple Q.
Aggie, pass it's the ETF of the silver, correct? PAAS, correct? Let's see.
PAAS, yeah, it's a silver. Hmm.
Yeah, the silver, yeah. So the silver is. You were told you told me that there are people here that trade in the gold. What are they doing? The ETFs or actually the something about the gold?
No, the gold itself, most of the times, like SAR USD,
Oh,
which it's
okay.
tracking the real gold price. Actually, this is the gold indeed, because everything it's connected with the USD, like Bitcoin USD as well.
Of course. Oh, there is another stock that got earning yesterday. Wow, we could look at Joby, Aggie.
Yeah, I've seen that.
It was something like, look at this, the
Crazy.
consolidation. There was a really good area for a short, 19. What a beautiful short it could be. It was on my third list, but I didn't even get to that Joby.
I've just seen it. It was down a lot.
Yeah.
It looks like as a profit taking.
You're using the FinViz or you're using something else, when you want
Um,
to get information?
I'm
What are you
using
using?
FinViz
Yeah,
as
me too.
well. Sector Spider I like, actually. This is really good. The heat map of the TEFS is good as well. Can find it
Yeah,
in
I
the
know it. Yeah,
tools.
I know. They improve it. It's been a while since
Yeah,
I
they
saw it,
did.
but I remember.
Yeah,
I remember they did it.
looks
Like
like
it's
that.
yeah.
Looks really good. Like you can
Where
get
is where is the place where you get that? Remind me.
it's in the
The
tools. There's
in the
terminal
tools,
tools.
in
Above
the
in the corner,
in
left
the
hand side.
tools, and yeah, heat map. Yeah, I see it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. I have
Really
like
good.
I have a watch list of all the sector, and I actually can sort it, by strong and weak, and then I can see immediately. That's my heat map, which sector
Mm.
is strong or weak, and then I can, go to the sector. But it's a good one. I remember the heat map. Yeah. Wow, LLY. Yeah, everything today is red or light red. Huh? There's no
Mm-hmm.
green. Yeah.
No, it was a
Excellent.
very nice short in the beginning. John is using
Walmart.
Trading View, Chart Watcher, and Finviz.
Yeah, trading view is also good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Charts watch. Yeah. Why do you need so many, John? Each one give you something else? Apple strong. Yeah, Apple strong just because yesterday they announced that they're gonna do, build in the US, and the tariff is not on them, so it's a good news.
Hmm.
So yeah, that's sometimes it's very easy to control those kind of news. You just say, okay, I'm gonna put $100 billion, and it's fine. I don't know how much they have. They have so much cash, so for them it's
Hmm.
now the KNG now, that's exactly the area where it got 71. I thought it's gonna get 75. If from here we are getting down, definitely we can lower stop above 47, sorry, 44.80. And even if you're going away, that's the way you can, doesn't matter how much you have, you can split your amount into two. And one order, you can actually put the stop where it is, and then let's say partial, what's the low of today? 43.49. You can throw maybe 10 cents above it, like 43.60. That's exactly what I'm doing. And then another half, I'm just going to put a stop, and I'm going to put down really radical. I don't know what the stop can do. And I'm going to come later. I'm not going to leave the house today. So I can lower my stop and see what's going on. But that's usually what I'm doing when I'm going away from the desk. I don't need to babysitter. Sometimes, even if you are not in front, the stock will work even better. Sometimes
Yeah.
our personality disturb it, huh, Agi?
Yes. Yeah. Especially, when you are sitting here for a long time, because I don't know, somehow my traders usually think that more is better on the trading, and I always tell them no. The more you are spending in front of the monitor, like really from 9:30 till 4 p.m., it's sometimes it's worse than better. So yeah, like you cannot maintain and keep discipline 100% all the time. Like it's
Yeah,
it's
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 human being we are, so
it really depends. Sometimes I can do, and sometimes
yeah,
if
exactly.
things happen like very emotional, good or bad, I can go out away from the computer and come back again, even after 20 minutes, whatever. I remember when daughter said to her girlfriend or something to, you know, they talk about what their father is doing. My father is not working a lot. Like from people that looking from the outside, when you're in and out, it seems like you're
Yeah,
not serious or you're working less because
yeah,
you're lazy.
exactly.
Go explain to them, the meaning that sometimes even if you're not there, the work is still working.
Yeah. Usually, actually, guys, I'm not telling anyone what I'm doing. So, if like a stranger asking me, I'm not
I'm an
telling.
architect. I'm an architect. Yeah,
I'm an economist.
No, no, this is really, I learned in the US. I'm an architect, so that's what I'm telling people. That I'm an architect, exactly what you're saying, because everybody think he
Exactly.
knows better, and I don't like
Yeah.
to get into. Everybody think he know about markets, and everybody know he's the best investor. And
Yes, I know, I know.
what,
Here in East Europe, especially, it's not very, common and
in Israel,
let's
it's
call
very
it
common to talk
understandable
about the
that
money
what
that you don't
I'm
have.
doing.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Uh,
everybody like to talk, and I'm trying to
okay.
avoid flying to oil
Okay.
rights. Yeah, no, no, I've been in that place, and it's in Phoenix. I just went to visit it, and it's funny that you said like last year I joined my wife. She had a conference in the U.S. and one of the places like I lived in the States like for 7 years, but I never been because and I travel a lot. It's never on the way that you want it to be. It's like very isolate. So I went to see
Mm,
the falling water, in Pennsylvania. So we actually landed in DC. We took a car like 4 hours, and we went to see the Frank Lloyd Wright famous house. The fall in water. Amazing, amazing. Like I saw so many information about that. And when you see that, and we slept in a really nice small. When you say small town, that was small of a small town. Like it was the winter, so there's nothing almost there, and but it was amazing
mm-hmm.
place. So it's funny that you mention him.
Hmm.
Okay, I think we don't have nothing to do. Yeah,
No, I think we can
yeah,
call it as a day.
yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Maybe in the future, once in a while, we're gonna do maybe sometimes the second part of the day or whatever.
Yeah, yeah, let's
We
see. Let's
I
see.
say sometimes you can have really good opportunity. Sometimes it's depend, but it's something that definitely you need to do because in some places people come to work, finish work around when the market is open, so they come late.
Mm-hmm.
And in Wall Street, they are not trading like the first hour and a half, and that's it. So
Yeah.
it's something that we can do. So thank you, Gagi. Guys, thank you very much. Next
Thank
week,
you, Amir.
Tuesday, same dates.
Yeah, next Tuesday I'm going
Yeah,
to see you.
thank you.
Fantastic day again. Thank you very much.
Bye
And
bye.
have a nice weekend.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Amir.
Bye bye.
Okay, traders, another red day for me. I can't believe it. Tomorrow it's another day. I'm not used to that, but what can I do? So, guys, hope you had a much better day with nice green trades. Amir just gave you fantastic trades indeed. And of course, I'm going to see everyone tomorrow. Take care. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and see you tomorrow. Thank you, Griscoder. So bye, guys. Take care.